Hi, I'm Anupama, and today we are going to talk about developmental milestones and developmental delays. I'm an education therapist, and one of my favorite ways to observe children is by using games, Uno cards. And what observations do I make? I make observations of how they play, learn, act, move, and grow. 5 areas where I make observations. So these are the 5 domains of development: the physical development, the cognitive development, the language development, the social and emotional development, and the sensory and motor development. So an easy way to remember the 5 domains of development is play, learn, act, move, and grow. Now, when should what changes or what development should I observe? So those are milestones. So around which age, which stage should I observe what? You may be wondering. So we know that the most changes you observe in a child is between the 0 to 5 years. There's so many changes, so much growth happening. So let's divide these 0 to 5 years into 5 stages. Okay, so that's your newborn stage, the infant stage, the toddler stage, the preschooler stage, and the school going stage. So if you remember these 5 stages and the 5 domains and what to look for when. So these are milestones. So it's a good idea to use a milestone tracker to make these observations of your child and the way the child is developing. Use always credible sources for milestones. So if you're using any milestone tracker, make sure it's from a credible source developed by professionals in the field. Now, so the stages. So for example, at a infant stage, what are some changes to expect? The milestone tracker will tell you. So in what areas to develop, the 5 domains, what are the changes to observe? For example, at a preschooler stage, that's the time maybe my child should be gripping a pencil or something like that. Now, what happens when you're not observing certain changes or development? Well, be patient. Every child develops and grows at their own pace, but sometimes a certain kind of extra interaction or intervention in a certain area may help to boost the growth or bring about the change. So look into your environment, because development is an interplay of the genes and the environment. However, still, if you're not observing or there are certain concerns coming, do not delay for seeking help. Speak to your healthcare professional or any professionals in the field, maybe a pediatrician as well, to guide you and to give you the right advice. So seek for help, because certain times, certain interventions, especially early intervention in certain areas, can help you overcome. So when you do not see certain changes, there could be a developmental delay. So seek help for this always. Thank you.